Welcome backpack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings. I wanted to show you guys a little bit on the gutter system here. So for our red iron projects, I highly recommend that if you're gonna get gutters, you get it with the building. And if you notice, for the gutter system, we actually use sheet metal. And so it's not the aluminum that we typically use on residential homes, or even in the tubular buildings. We use more of a aluminum gutter system. For these red iron projects, the gutter systems are, what I love about them are a couple things. First, we can match the colors to exact because this is a similar material that is being used for the metal building. So it's made out of metal. This is made out of 26 gauge tubing, and it's all a complete system within its eave and rake trims. Okay, so it's all one single complete system, and it looks super sharp. And that's why I highly recommend that if you're gonna get a red iron project, you get it with the gutter system already. It looks super clean, and it's one single project. Now, when you're getting gutters, another thing to keep in mind is, where do you want your water runoff, and how many drops or downspouts do you need? Okay, so if I show you guys over here, so come out here. We did one single downspout on this side, and the reason is because this is their main office, and then here was a concrete. If we put and then the concrete is sloped this way. If we drop the water on that side, all that water was just going to be running on this sidewalk. So that's why we ran it all the way and had to drop right here. And we even we determined to, redirect the water to point this way, so all the water is running away from the two metal buildings. So that is something to always keep in mind for gutters. If you're gonna have any walk-in doors, any overhead doors on your side of your building, which is basically the eaves, gutters are also very important because then you have all that water falling on you. So some people want overhangs for red iron projects. I would recommend more of a gutter system. It really controls the water, and it looks super, super sharp. All our red iron projects are made out of PBR panel, 26 gauge, very heavy duty material, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to let us know. Other than that, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.